If you want to quickly organize important messages in Yahoo Mail, starring an email is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you how to star an email in Yahoo Mail step by step, so you can keep important messages easy to find whenever you need them. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you're dealing with work emails, personal messages, or anything you want to come back to later. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and go to your inbox. Your inbox is where all of your emails are listed, and this is where you'll find the message you want to mark. Take a moment to scan through your emails and locate the one that matters most. Maybe it's an important reply, a confirmation email, or a message you don't want to lose track of. Once you've found it, look right next to the email. You'll see a small star icon beside the message. All you need to do is click that star icon. The star will appear filled or highlighted, which means the email has now been starred. That's it. The email is now marked as important and can be easier to access later when you need it. If you want to unstar the email later, just return to the same message and click the star icon again. That will remove the star and turn off the highlight. This makes it very easy to manage your inbox as your priorities change throughout the day. Starring emails in Yahoo Mail is a fast way to stay organized without creating folders or moving messages around. It's especially useful if you want to save a message for later, but don't want to forget about it in a busy inbox. You can use it for appointments, receipts, follow-ups, or any message that needs your attention. So again, the process is simple. Open Yahoo Mail, go to your inbox, and click the star icon next to the email you want to highlight. In just a second, your message is marked and ready for easy access. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.